Hey guys, Neon Lights here, back with another video. Today, we're going to be doing some trade attempts, because I recently got this nature archway, and we're going to be seeing how much people are going to trade for it. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, this is what I'm offered right now. Okay, you see this? Wow. Okay, what? What? This is not baby school, people. Great! The same thing! Are they telling people what? Okay, are you serious? I'm just gonna block this person if they're just gonna be trading me unfair like this. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about that. I just could not find any servers for like a half an hour. Even in Alden, there was like no one. So finally, I found an Alden with people in it. So I'm sorry about that wait, even though it was probably like 1 minute or so. So trades are gonna start coming in a few minutes. See, told you. Okay, anyways, this for this. Okay. Wow, how rude. Okay, guys, I decided I'm gonna try to trade stuff for, like trade my nature archway for things, because, like, no one's trading me. So, let's see if this guy's gonna accept. Awkward silence. Oh my god. See, AFK or something, just accept. All around me. Dang it, they were probably AFK. Oh my god. That's a lot of addresses. I really want a headdress. But I can't. Because I'm an unrare blob. Well, I'll just come back when I'm trading someone. Why? Oh my god. Come on, come on, come on. Please accept. Please. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this failed version of me trying to trade away in my nature archway. So, I'm just gonna leave it to you guys in the comments. Offer what you'll trade for this archway, depending on the trades that I got. So, anyways, that's it. Bye.